Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about brinji rice. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 4 tablespoon ghee, 4 bay leaves, 2 cardamoms, cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. Now add 3 green chillies halved, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, and 3 onions sliced, and cook till it turns slightly brown. And then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes away. Now add 2 tomatoes sliced, then half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder and 1 teaspoon fennel powder. Mix well. Then add a handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves and again mix well. Now add 500 grams of washed basmati rice, and veggies, which would be French beans, carrots and potatoes. Give it a mix and make sure the rice doesn't break. और फिर नमक स्वाद अनुसार. Add 750 ml of water and 500 ml of coconut milk. Mix well. Now close the pressure cooker and cook on a medium flame till the steam blows out. And once that happens, put on the weight and turn off the flame. Open it after 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add toasted bread, and coriander leaves on top. Serve this brinji rice nice and hot. And yes, we topped it off with some roasted cashews. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.